If you want to edit audio in VLC Media Player without paying for extra software, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to trim audio using VLC by recording just the part you want to keep. This is a great trick if you want to cut out a section from a song, clip a voice recording, or save only a specific part of an audio file. It's fast, it's free, and it works well for basic audio editing. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click Media, then choose Open File. This is where you load the audio file you want to edit. Select your file and open it in VLC. After your audio loads, you'll see the playback bar at the bottom of the player. Now drag the playback slider to the exact point where you want the new clip to begin. Take your time here, because this step helps you start recording at the right spot. If you need to, you can use the play and pause buttons to make sure you found the exact starting point. Once you're ready, click the red record button. This is the button you enabled in the previous setup step, and it will begin capturing the audio from that exact moment. Now, press play and let the audio continue until you reach the point where you want the clip to end. As the audio plays, VLC is recording everything from the start point you chose. When you reach the end of the section you want to keep, click the red record button again to stop recording. That's it. VLC will automatically save the new audio segment as a separate file in the directory you specified earlier. So instead of manually cutting and exporting in a more advanced editor, you now have a quick and easy trimmed audio clip saved on your computer. This method is especially useful if you only need a simple cut and don't want to learn complicated editing software. Just remember that the quality of your trim depends on placing the playback slider as accurately as possible before you start recording. If you want, you can repeat the same process to create multiple audio clips from the same file. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.